Are you ready for the most exciting journey of your financial life? Money as we know it is changing. From bills and coins to codes and algorithms, we're entering an era where innovation redefines every transaction. Get ready to unravel the future because what's coming isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. The world is constantly evolving, and money is no exception. Digitalization is not just a convenience, it's an unstoppable force driving efficiency and accessibility. We are witnessing a paradigm shift that will affect everyone, from small entrepreneurs to large investors. Technological advances and the ubiquity of electronic payments are rewriting the rules. Speed, transparency, and reduced costs are just some of the promises. Now is the time to understand how these innovations will shape our economy. Imagine a digital version of your national currency issued and backed by the central bank. This is precisely what CBDCs are, and they're poised to change the game. Governments around the world are actively exploring their implementation. China is already at the forefront with its digital yuan, conducting large-scale trials. The European Union is not far behind with ambitious plans for a digital euro. These initiatives seek to modernize payment systems and strengthen monetary sovereignty. CBDCs promise faster, more secure, and more efficient payments for everyone. They could reduce transaction costs and improve financial inclusion. For entrepreneurs, this means new avenues for trade and expansion. However, they also raise important questions about privacy and state control. It's a crucial debate that will define the balance between innovation and individual freedom. Transparency and security will be fundamental pillars. CBDCs are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the dollar. They offer the speed and efficiency of cryptocurrencies, but with the stability that other currencies often lack. They are a vital component of the DeFi ecosystem. There are different types, from asset-backed ones like Tether or USDC to algorithmic ones. Their popularity stems from their usefulness for trading, remittances, and as a safe haven in volatile markets. They are a key tool for investors and users. However, history has shown that not all CBDCs are created equal. The volatility of some, such as Tether's USDC, has raised serious concerns. The transparency of their reserves is a critical factor for their credibility and adoption. For investors, understanding the mechanics and risks of CBDCs is essential. For entrepreneurs, they represent an opportunity to integrate stable digital payments. Their regulation is a hot topic that seeks to protect users. Bitcoin and Ethereum are just the tip of the iceberg in the vast universe of cryptocurrencies. These digital assets, based on blockchain technology, have captured the imagination of millions. They represent a vision of decentralized, intermediary-free finance. Their value as a medium of exchange and investment has grown exponentially, but their volatility is an inherent characteristic that both attracts and repels. They are a fertile ground for innovation, but also for speculation. Beyond investment, cryptocurrencies are driving entire ecosystems, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These applications are redefining digital ownership and financial services. For tech enthusiasts, cryptocurrencies are a laboratory of innovation. For investors, they represent an asset class with disruptive potential. The debate over its regulation and role in the future of finance continues. The era of slow and complicated payments is coming to an end. Today's consumers demand instant and effortless payment experiences. Technology is responding with innovative solutions that simplify our daily lives. Platforms like Visum in Spain, which allows instant transfers with just a phone number, are a clear example. QR codes, mobile wallets, and contactless payments are transforming the way we buy and sell. This trend not only benefits consumers, but also businesses. It reduces wait times, improves the customer experience, and optimizes cash management. It's a victory for efficiency and modernity. For entrepreneurs, adopting these technologies is crucial to staying competitive. For the general public, it means greater convenience and security in their transactions. Payment innovation is a key driver of the digital economy. Tokenization is the process of digitally representing real-world assets on a blockchain. Think real estate, artwork, stocks, or even commodities converted into digital tokens. This opens up a world of possibilities. This technology has the potential to democratize investment, enabling fractional ownership of high-value assets. It can also increase liquidity and transparency in traditionally opaque markets. This is a true revolution for investors. Imagine being able to buy a fraction of an office building or a famous work of art. Tokenization makes this possible by removing barriers to entry and reducing costs. It's a powerful tool for portfolio diversification. For entrepreneurs, tokenization offers new forms of financing and asset management. For investors, it represents a unique opportunity to access previously unreachable markets. We are on the cusp of a new era of investment. The mass adoption of digital money will have profound implications. From financial inclusion to global efficiency, the changes will be palpable. It is essential to understand how these transformations will affect us all. Digital money has the power to bring financial services to millions of people who currently have no access to banks. With just a mobile phone, people can make payments, receive salaries, and access microcredit. This is a driving force for development. It reduces geographic and economic barriers, empowering entire communities. Digitalization can be a catalyst for prosperity, providing basic financial tools to those who need them most. It is a promise of equity. Digital currencies promise to make domestic and international payments faster and cheaper. Remittances, for example, could be processed in seconds and with minimal fees. This benefits millions of families and businesses. For international trade, the reduction in costs and settlement times is a huge boost. Businesses can operate with greater agility and efficiency. The global economy will become more interconnected and fluid. The emergence of CBDCs and stablecoins is creating fascinating competition with traditional money. We will see an ecosystem where different forms of digital money coexist and compete for user preference. This dynamic will drive innovation. Traditional banks will be forced to innovate and adapt to avoid being left behind. This competition is healthy as it fosters continuous improvement in financial services. The future will be a patchwork of options. Every revolution brings challenges, and the digital money revolution is no exception. Proactively addressing these challenges is crucial to ensuring a stable and equitable financial future. This is where education and regulation play a key role. The lack of clear regulation is one of the biggest obstacles to the widespread adoption of digital money. It is imperative to establish legal frameworks that guarantee security, consumer protection, and market stability. This is vital for investors and users. Governments and regulatory bodies are working to find the right balance. We need rules that encourage innovation without compromising financial integrity. International cooperation will be key to a global approach. For digital money to be widely adopted, a robust and accessible technological infrastructure is needed. This includes reliable internet networks and smart devices. The digital divide must be addressed so that no one is left behind. Furthermore, education is essential. Users must understand how these new technologies work, their benefits, and their risks. Digital financial literacy is an essential skill for the 21st century. With digitalization, cybersecurity becomes more critical than ever. Protecting digital assets from attacks and fraud is a top priority. Institutions and users must adopt the best security practices. Data privacy is another major concern. Who will have access to our transaction information? Robust safeguards must be established to protect individuals' identities and financial information. Artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology are the silent forces behind this revolution. Blockchain provides the decentralized and secure infrastructure for cryptocurrencies and tokenization. AI, for its part, optimizes processes. AI can analyze large volumes of data to detect fraud, personalize financial services, and improve decision-making. Together, these technologies are creating a smarter, more secure, and more efficient financial ecosystem. For entrepreneurs, integrating AI and blockchain into their business models is a competitive advantage. For investors, understanding these technologies is key to identifying growth opportunities. They are the future of financial innovation. The future of digital money is uncertain in its details, but its direction is inevitable. We will see greater adoption of digital currencies in the coming years. The form it takes will depend on the decisions of governments, central banks, and private companies. But it will also depend on you. As an entrepreneur, investor, techie, or simply a citizen, your understanding and participation are crucial. This is an exciting time to be alive, a time of unprecedented change and opportunity. The future of money isn't something that just happens, it's something we build together. Don't be left out of this revolution. Entrepreneurs, explore how to integrate digital payments and tokenization into your business. The opportunities are endless. Investors, diversify your portfolio and explore cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets with an informed strategy. General public and tech enthusiasts, educate yourself. Experiment with new platforms and participate in the debate. Your voice matters. Subscribe to our channel, share this video, and leave your comments. What do you think about the future of money? Are you ready for the digital age? Your opinion is the driving force behind this conversation.